so quake that it shall fall and ruin the great theatre. The earthquake shall be so great in the month of May, Saturn, Kuiper, Jupiter, Mercury and Taurus, Venus also, Cancer, Mars in zero. Then hail shall fall, bigger than an egg.
In that quatrain, 67 of the 10th century, he not only gives us the month of the great earthquake as being May, but also the means whereby the year can be calculated astrologically through the conjunction of Saturn, Jupiter, Capricorn, Mercury. And such a configuration occurs in the year 1988.